Which way is the wind blowing?
Right at us.
Yeah, right about at us.
Fair warning to the vehicles.
Yeah. I think my vehicle's out of the way.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
What do you think? Commentary?
I'm ready.
So
I just hit one of them and
Just one, and they'll both go, and it's gonna shake.
Don, I think your truck's right in the line of fire. It's under company time.
he was gonna park over here. You out here?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we gotta get Kelly out here. Here, jump out of her shorts again.
Everybody out here wants to be?
I'm not responsible for any damages.
Yeah, right.
Me either.
By the way, what's her name wants to watch him from back there. There.
Yeah, that's a lot further away.
Well, with the canister the way it is, you gotta.
Oh!
You shot in front of it?
Okay, go move it, Cutter.
No way, I'm not touching
Cutter, go set him on top of each other.
Around.
100 mile rule, Steve. Just
Good stuff. I want to run all the way back.
You want to get the Ranger?
Did it break open either?
Both of them did.
Broke open?
So I hit him and didn't go off.
Right.
So it counts as a hit.
Who makes that batch?
Far away.
Pete, I'm out in Bergen.
Got it.
They went right through it.
Went right through it.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh, yeah! Look at that.
You got it. Come down there.